Unit 8, Lesson 2 test. Number 1. The diagrams below illustrate different laws of planetary motion and gravity. Which diagram illustrates Kepler's second law? A, B, or C? Number 2. Lisa is describing the orbit of Earth. At what point in Earth's orbit is Earth farthest from the Sun? A, when Earth reaches its aphelion. B, when Earth reaches perihelion. C, when Earth reaches its fastest speed. Number 3. Which of these choices states Kepler's first law of planetary motion? A, as a planet moves around its orbit, the planet sweeps out equal areas in equal amounts of time. B, the orbit of a planet or other body around the Sun is an ellipse, and the Sun is one focus of the ellipse. C, the square of a planet's orbital period is proportional to the cube of the planet's mean distance from the Sun. Number 4. Which term best describes the shape of the orbits of planets in our solar system? A, circular, B, elliptical, C, spherical. 5. Alyssa is explaining centripetal force to some younger students. Which example illustrates the concept of centripetal force? A, centripetal force is a force that makes a body follow a curved path. B, centripetal force is a force that makes objects move in a straight line. C, centripetal force is a force that is directed away from the center of rotation. Number 6. What role did gravity play in forming the Sun? A, gravity turned the protoplanetary disk into a planetesimal, which became the Sun. B, gravity turned the protoplanetary disk into a rotating solar nebula, which became the Sun. C, gravity caused the solar nebula to collapse toward the center, causing the center of the Sun to be dense and hot. Number 7. The diagram below shows the effect of mass and distance on the force of gravity. Which configuration will result in the greatest gravitational force? A, large masses close together. B, large masses far apart. C, small masses close together. 8. Which diagram best illustrates the stage in the formation of the solar system at which the Sun formed? A, B, C. Number 9. The diagrams below illustrate different laws of planetary motion and gravity. Which diagram illustrates Kepler's third law? A, B, C. Number 10. Enrique is describing the orbit of Earth. At what point in Earth's orbit is the Earth closest to the Sun? A, when the Earth reaches aphelion. B, when Earth reaches perihelion. C, when Earth reaches its slowest speed. Number 11. Jean-Pierre is creating a timeline of the formation of the solar system. Which sequence best describes the formation of the solar system? A, solar nebula to protostellar disk to nuclear fusion to Sun to planetesimals to planets. B, solar nebula to protostellar disk, nuclear fission, planetesimals to planets to Sun. C, protostellar disk to nuclear fusion to Sun to solar nebula to planetesimals to planets. Number 12. What are the two things that determine the force of gravity? A, mass and distance. B, density and time. C, mass and weight. Number 13. What does Kepler's first law of planetary motion state? A, the orbit of a planet around the Sun is an ellipse with the Sun at one focus. B, the orbit of a planet is dependent on heat. C, the difference between the centripetal force and elliptical force. Number 14. The solar system is part of a galaxy. A galaxy contains stars, gas, and dust. This matter must be held together or the galaxy will break apart. What is responsible for holding stars, gas, and dust together in a galaxy? A, heat. B, light. C, gravity. 15. Based on the table of planetary masses below, which planet would have the greatest gravity? A, Pluto. B, Jupiter. C, Earth.